In today's video, I'm going to do a 24-hour Shopify challenge. I'm going to build a Shopify store, advertise it, and hopefully make a decent profit. At the moment it's 2 p.m. right now, so basically I have till 2 p.m. the next day to finish this challenge and finally make my dad proud. If you have been following me, you already know all we need to do is find a competitor that is selling the product in the English-speaking countries, which is the top 5. Once found, take the product and advertise it in one of the EU countries, since the market there is not saturated like the top 5 countries, meaning that you will be profitable and you will be able to find your winner much sooner. So first thing we have to do is find something to sell. Obviously we can't just sell anything that we think is good or going to work. So to find the product in this video, I'm going to be using a Google extension called My Pro Ad Finder and Facebook newsfeed, which is completely free to use. So here we are at my Facebook newsfeed right now. You can see the Google extension that I talked about is this, which is my ad finder, right? When you turn it on, you will only see ads on your Facebook newsfeed. It's completely free to install, right? So now I'm going to scroll down, basically trying to find the winning product. Okay, so after a while looking, I found the best product given the time I have, which is less than 24 hours to basically find the product, make the store and run the ads. The product is these reusable eyelashes. This product checks all the criteria that I have been teaching you guys to look after when finding your winning product to test. Those criteria are problem solving, good margins, and finding a competitor that is selling it right now with at least over 80 active ads in their ad library. This means that they are spending at least $3,000 a day on ads, and you wouldn't spend that much if the product didn't give at least 2 extra ads, which is $6,000 a day in sales. Now that we have the product, we're gonna get the store done and then some ads made.
Oh my god, bro. Oh hell no, man. What the fuck?
So when it comes to actually make the website, I'm going to keep it nice and simple. I will be also checking how competitor website looks like in order to see the weak points of the website, which I can improve on and build a better website from it. So this is the website that I have made in around 30 minutes or so. You can see the product page is very simple. We have coloring that matches with the product, right? For girls is the pink, right? And it matches with the images as well. We have high quality images here, and this is the product that I went with, right? So you can see the options that we have here, the product page, and we have the sticky add to cart, right? The coloring matches. Then we're going for the reviews, right? So if you notice, the website is in English, and the reason is that I try to make it in English for you guys in order for you to understand what I have written in the website, right? Basically the infrastructure and everything. But now I'm going to translate the whole website into Swedish language, since I'm going to be active in European market. So the website is finally done, and the theme I'm using for the website is the Beautify theme, which is my favorite theme of them all. There is also tons of free themes that Shopify offers, which you can use and build a similar website like the one that I have done here. But personally I prefer the Beautify, since they have many add-ons that come with the theme, which helps you with have less apps installed on your store. Therefore you save more money and your website will be much faster. In case you're wondering, I made the logo in Canva. You can make very nice and professional logos on canva.com for free. Finally, it's now time for step number 3, which is advertising section. When it comes to advertising your product, there is tons of videos that teach a different methods, and I recommend you choose one and stick to it. Don't just try it with one product and then when the product fails say that it didn't work or dropshipping is dead. No, this is just you being lazy. I have made a 2-hour Facebook ad course on how to run ads as a dropshipper here on my channel for you guys, completely free. So if you want to see how exactly do it step by step, I recommend you to check the course. You can also find the link down below in the description. Now what I need is some video ads in order to be able to run ads. This is a very easy part, since we have already found a competitor that is selling our chosen product with over 80 active ads on the ad library. And that was the main reason I even chose this product, because now I don't need to know if the product is gonna work or not, since my company is already spending over $3,000 a day on ads for it. So now some haters gonna say, how can you know this? How can you know about this? That's easy. Since I'm seasoned e-commerce entrepreneur and I have already generated multiple 7 figures in profit from this business, I already know that when you have around 80 active ads, that means you're spending anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 a day on ads, based on my experience spending millions of dollars on Facebook advertising. So with that being said, all you need to do is watch their ads and try to make the similar one like that. And you can do that by finding clips on YouTube or Instagram or even Facebook for completely free, guys, and this costs you $0. My main goal is try to save much money as possible so I can save that money and spend it on ads. Now that we have our ads, it's time for step 4, which is running the ads. Now, let me show you how I'm going to run the ads. So we're going to come here and click sales, right? And basically go directly for conversion. And since the challenge is only for 24 hours, I'm going to directly go to testing interest and trying to get some sales. Now we're going to have ABO, prospecting, right? And then the rest of it, you don't need to change anything. Now we are in the ad set section, right? We will choose a pixel, which I have already made. Go over the purchase, right? Simple ones here, right? The budget will be $50, which is in this currency will be 800. So the time will be as soon as possible, since we just want to get sale right now because the challenge is only in 24 hours. The target country will be Sweden. I choose Sweden because I'm a Swedish speaking person as well. Since I have only 24 hours, I have translated the website myself from English to Swedish in order to be able to sell as soon as possible, right? And then age, we have 18 to 65. We have woman only, language, Swedish language, and the placement we will go for manual placement, mobile, right? Facebook and newsfeed, because we just want to get sale right now, ASAP, right? And the devices will be, and here down below you can see that I click this only when connected to Wi-Fi, because I don't want Facebook to show my ads to the people that are sitting in the bus just basically scrolling and look at the memes. I don't want Facebook to spend the money there, so I just click this, right, because I'm tightening the budget and I want to get the result fast as possible. So here we are 24 hours later, so let me show you the results. As you can see, we have generated over $200 in sales, but the last sale came after the 24-hour challenge was over, which was after 2 p.m. Therefore, I will not count that. So basically, we have generated over $182 in sales, as you can see here. Now, that wasn't all profit, so let me show you how much actually we have spent on ads. On Ads Manager, we spent $83 on advertising, and our product cost is $12 for 4 orders that we got. So that leaves us with $82 profit on our first day of selling these reusable lashes, guys. Now, I'm not gonna lie, profit is decent for the first day, and I keep in mind if I continue to sell this product, it's going to make more profits every day by days, because you will test, scale what works. You will turn off basically what doesn't work. And for the first day, basically I just turned off the ads because this challenge was only for 24 hours, but if I meant to continue it, we will have better results. If you want to learn how to successfully start your dropshipping store and make profits from the first day as I did, you can watch the video where I explain basically A to Z of the process and steps you need to take in order to get the same result. So this is it for 24-hour Shopify challenge, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button and comment below what do you think of this video. See you next time.